some ribs, bacon, rice, beans, corn, some chicken. This is a full meal. This is all the animals you can imagine. So look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? The paisa paella, our onion bits, our chopped tomatoes. If you like this video and videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with all your friends. Half a teaspoon of paprika. Flavor around a bit. There you go. Little envelope of saffron. iwantpaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, and much more. So don't miss out and come visit us at iwantpaella.eu. We're gonna add some of our meats. We're gonna add some prime pork ribs. We're gonna add some prime bacon. We're gonna add some sausages and some chicken. Our 800 milliliters of beef stock. Now we previously added our paella mix into it. Now we're gonna add 300 grams of paella rice. Let's add some pinto beans. Something like that, a bit more. These are delicious, nutritious, and beautiful. And of course, some corn. Yes, beautiful. It will bring sweetness to our paella and color as well. That looks fantastic, guys. Look at that. Our first international paella. Tribute to Colombia. We're gonna add some cut up serrano ham to give it a bit of salty taste. Alright guys, that looks delicious. Bubbling away. In a few minutes it should be ready. Okay guys, that looks about ready. I'm turning off both of our burners. I'm gonna take it to a kitchen and show you the rest. Our paisa paella, our first in an international series of international paellas. I'm gonna serve it on a plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Let's serve this paisa paella. Some ribs, bacon, rice, beans, corn, some chicken. This is a full meal. This is all the animals you can imagine. So look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to look us up at iwantpaella.eu, where you can find all of our recipes and all of our videos as well inside the recipes and all of our products. So come visit us at iwantpaella.eu. Thank you and see you very soon.